برادر جونم کسات هنجین نباید روز دیگه کار سر کردیم ارفاسی که پیشاب ارفاسی ویدیوی نشتر نشن انتظار باشن حرکت میکنیم که الان چیزای اینترسنی ضبط کنیم و اشکال شما گردونیم. Okay. How's work, bro? Good work. Not tired? Not tired?
No.
Not yet. How many hours you working here?
9 hours.
9 hours. Hard job. Hard work.
You?
I'm 6-7 hours.
6 hours. Where you from?
Tajikistan.
Tajikistan.
Do you know Tajikistan?
Of course I am.
Where are you from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. It's close. That's right. Tajikistan. Afghanistan. Iran. Huh?
One guy is working in this restaurant. He's from also Tajikistan.
Oh, which restaurant? Lokma.
Yeah, then corner one.
Lokma.
Look, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one guy.
Okay, I have to check it.
The waiter.
I never seen him in this restaurant. My bike.
No. I mean, how many? You are busy today.
Yeah, it's so. Not too much, but Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, mashallah.
Yeah. In Ramadan is okay.
Ramadan, mashallah, is going
Yeah.
very well.
Take care, brother.
Alhamdulillah.
Take care. Nice to see you. Assalamu alaikum. اینجا رستوران میگه بچه توجی کار میکنن. بریم رستورانی فرنگیمون. ولی اگه اون روز میریم شناس میشیم کسیش. ولی بهترین شما من نشان میدم هم اگه چپا